For finding the graph of x square minus 2x minus 8 to zeros, so we have to find the x square value minus 2x value. Next these values are subtracting with minus 8, then we get its corresponding y value. So that xy points are substitute locate on that graph, we get the zeros of that graph. So that purpose, so first we taking x value and minus 2x value, next minus 8 value, that one taking. So for finding this graph I am taking the points from minus 1 to 5. So minus 1, next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to here I am taking. So now by substituting these points what we getting, so if we observe, so here minus 2x is the first, so here we not written x square also we have to find x square minus 2x minus 8. So x square minus 2x minus 8, so that x square first finding. So even positive number or negative number square doing means we get a positive number only. So x square, so minus 1 square equal to 1, next 0 square equal to 0 and 1 square equal to 1, next 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25. So that values substituting 1, 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Next to minus 2x. So minus 2 into minus 1 means that is plus 2 only. Minus 2 into 0, 2x. So 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. And here these all are positive numbers multiplying with a negative number minus 2. So in that all places we get negative number only. So minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 3, that is nothing but minus 6. Minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. Next minus 8, it is the constant number. So that constant number direct writing. So minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8 and minus 8. Now so here the addition doing 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 means that is nothing but minus 5. Next 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 8 means minus 8. So minus 8 minus 2, that is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1, that means minus 9. Minus 10 plus 1 means minus 9. Next minus 8 minus 4, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 4, that equal to minus 8. Minus 12 plus 4 equal to minus 8. Next minus 8 minus 6, that is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 9, that equal to minus 5. Next 16 minus 8 minus 8, that is nothing but minus 16. Minus 16 plus 16 equal to 0. Next 25 minus 10, that is 15. 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8 means that is 7. Okay, so here we substitute -2 and -3 also. Why? Because here we get only single zero, so that purpose -2 -3 also substituting. Then what happens we see. Okay, so -2 substituted, that first one x square, so -2 square equal to 4, -3 square equal to 9, so -2x, -2 into -2, that means plus 4, -2 into -3, that means minus into minus plus 2 3 ja 6, and the constant term -8, so that one taking. So now if we doing the addition, so 4 plus 4 8, so 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8 means that is nothing but 0. Next 9 plus 6 15, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8 equal to 7. So here these points we get. Now we write the points, so -1 to -5, 0 to -8, and 1 to -9, 2 to -8, 3 to -5, 4 to 0, 5 to 7, -2 to 0, and -3 to 7. Now locating the points on the graph. Okay, so first -3 to +7, -3 to +7, here is the graph. Next -2 to 0, -2 to 0. Next -1 to -5, so -1 to -5, here is the point. Next 0 to -8, 0 to -8. Next 1 to -1, 1 to -9, here is the point. Next 2 to -8, the 2 point to -8. Next 3 to -5, so for the point 3 to the y-axis to distance -5 units. Next 4 to 0, so the 4 comma 0, that means that is on x-axis. Next 5 to 7, 5.2 x-axis distance, y-axis to 7 units distance. So now if we join these points, so it is the graph of x square minus 2x minus 8. Now if we observe, it was as also in parabola shape, so parabola shape there. And so how many points it touches? It touches at -2 and +4 on x axis. So now the graph has how many zeros? It has 2 zeros. And what are the zeros? They are -2 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So the graph touches the x axis at -2 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8 has -2 and 3 as zeros, -2 and 4 as zeros. Okay, so now in general factorization too, we finding the zeros, we get correct or not observing, so that is the justification. So by that justification, x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So here already we said, so what is that one for finding factorization? So x square coefficient into constant term we want to take, that x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 8. So 1 into minus 8 equal to minus 8, and the coefficient of x that is minus 2. So by multiplication any two numbers we get minus 8, by addition of any two numbers we get minus 2. So that means we want to take the factors of 8, that are 1, 2, 4, 8. In that 2, 4, these two numbers product, 8 coming, subtraction 2 coming, but we want to get minus 2, that means minus 4 plus 2 taking. So minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2 coming, and minus 4 into 2 doing. So minus into plus, minus 4 2 ja 8. So correct answers only we get. So we split minus 2x as minus 4x plus 2x, minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now here x square means it can be written as x into x. So in this both x is the common, so that x common taking x minus, so that x came outside means 4 only remain. So plus, here 8 means we can split as 2 fourths. So now in this both 2 is the common number, so the 2 common taken means here remained 1 x plus into minus minus. So 2 taken outside means here 4 remain in 8, so that is 4 written. Now here x minus 4 is the common number, so that x minus 4 common there means here remained 1 x, here remained 1 plus 2. So x plus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 2 transfer to that side minus 2. 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Next x minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 transfer to that side, that is plus 4. So 0 plus 4 equal to 4. So here also we get the zeros are minus 2 and 4. Same only. So for the next problem, x square minus 1 to find its zeros through graph. So for finding that one, we have to find corresponding x value to x square doing and subtracting with minus 1, and what is the point that will be taking, and for every x corresponding value y coming that are located on that graph. So that one process we have to do. So we taking some x values. So I am taking minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These 5 points I taken. So now for these values to, the first step is given x square. So the each value to square doing. So either positive or negative, anyone we have to square doing, we get the positive number only. So minus 2 square equal to 4, and 1 minus 1 square equal to 1, 0 square equal to 0, 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4. So 1, 4. Next minus 1, it is the constant number, so direct writing. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now these were subtracting. 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, 4 minus 1, 3. So now the points are minus 2 to corresponding value is 3, minus 1 to corresponding value is 0, 0 to corresponding value minus 1, and 1 to corresponding value is 0, and 2 to corresponding value is 3. Now we write these points now locating on the graph. So here normal simple digits only. So on that scale graph to take an x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only, and on that y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit taking. And so now these points to observing, so -2 to 3, x-axis to -2 units, y-axis to 3 units distance. So here is the point. Next x-axis to -1, then y-axis to 0, x-axis to -1, y-axis to x-axis here x-axis to -1, then y-axis to 0, that is the point. Next x-axis to 0, y-axis to -1, so here is the point. Next x-axis to 1, y-axis to 0. Next x-axis to 2, y-axis to 3, here is the point. Now if we locate these points to join, it is nothing but x square minus 1 graph. So x square minus 1 graph touches the x-axis at which points? At -1, 0 and 1, 0. So how many zeros it has? It has 2 zeros. So the graph touches the x-axis at -1, 0 and 1, 0. So the polynomial x square minus 1 has zeros -1 and 1. Okay, so now if we observe these points by using find the factorization method. So if we want to see, now x square minus 1 equal to 0, 1 means we can write it as 1 square. So x means it is nothing but x square. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to, we already know, a plus b into a minus b. So by using that formula here, a means nothing but x, b means that is nothing but y. So we can split as a plus b into a minus b means x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So either x plus 1 equal to 0, otherwise x minus 1 equal to 0. And here x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 1 transfer to that side minus 1, 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. If minus 1 transfer to that side plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So here we get the zeros -1 and 1 only. Same. Otherwise if x square minus 1 equal to 0, minus 1 transfer to this side plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If x square equal to 1, then x equal to under root 1. Under root 1 means that is plus or minus 1. So here also same zeros we get. Next one, for finding the zeros of x square minus 4x plus 5 polynomial through graphical method. So for this, so corresponding x values to y values finding. So for finding corresponding x values to y values, we have to find first x square, next minus 4x, next to these all 5 to add constant number, then we get. So the corresponding x values are taking from -1 to 5. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first all the values to squares doing. So square 2 in time, we either the positive number or negative number, we get positive number only. So minus 1 square, that is nothing but minus 1. 0 square, that is 0 only. 1 square equal to 1 and 2 square equal to 4. So 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25. We get next one minus 4x, that is the step given. That means minus 4 to these x values we want to multiply. So minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. 4 into minus 4 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Here we observe all are positive numbers multiplying with this negative number minus 4. So we get all negative numbers only. So minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, minus 4 into 4, minus 16, minus 4 into 5, minus 20. Next the positive number 5. So 5 constant number, so that will be taking directly. Now all the numbers too we want to do addition. By that addition what we getting? So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, that is nothing but 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 equal to 5. 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, that equal to 2. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Next 9 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 12 equal to 2. 16 minus 16, 0. 0 plus 5 equal to 5. 25 minus 20, that is 5, plus 5 equal to 10 only. So here the points are minus 1 comma 10, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 10. These are the corresponding values of x and y. Now locating these were on graph. So first scale to observing, all are normal numbers only. So very large number not came. So we taking on that x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit we taking. Now locating these points on that graph. So the first point is minus 1 to 0. So x axis to minus 1, its corresponding y point is 10, that is plus 10. So it is in the second quadrant. So minus 1 to 10. Next 0 to 5, 0 to 5. Next 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Next 2 to 1, 2 to 1. 3 to 2 and 4 to 5. X axis to 4 units, y axis to 5 units distance. Next 5 to 10. So x axis to 5 units, y axis to 10 units distance. So if all the points are joined, so it is x square minus 4x plus 5 graph. So now if we observe, it is also came in parabola shape only. So now the graph touched the x axis at which place? It is not touches the x axis in any coordinate. So now it has no zeros. So the graph not touched the x axis. So the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 5 has no zeros. So on that graph given means how many zeros finding time we observe. Some graphs has no zeros. Okay, so and here we know that the degree of the polynomial how much, that much zeros there for a polynomial, that one we already studied. But here the degree of the polynomial is 2, but we not get 2 zeros. So why we not get 2 zeros means here it is the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now this quadratic polynomial to the discriminant we finding, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So here b value is nothing but coefficient of x, that is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square, that is nothing but 16 minus 4ac. A means x square coefficient, that is nothing but 1. C means constant term, that is 5. So 4 into 1 into 5 means that is minus 20. So 16 minus 20 means minus 4. So the discriminant value is less than 0. So it is less than 0 means it has no zeros. Okay, about this one clearly we know in the 5th chapter quadratic equation. Next, find the zeros of the polynomial 6 minus x square through graph. So for finding the graph we have to taking x values, for x values corresponding y values we getting. So that purpose what are the steps that will be writing? First 6, next to minus x, next to minus x square. So here we substitute some corresponding x values. So the corresponding x values I am taking from minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 taking. Now its corresponding values to find the given 6 minus x minus x square. So 6 is the constant number, so that is only directly taking. So 6 in all places. Next to minus x, so that is minus 2, that is nothing but already here we taken x values that are multiplying with minus symbol. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus plus, and minus into plus equal to minus. So for finding minus x, so the corresponding x values are multiplying with minus symbol. So minus into minus is plus and minus into plus is minus. So simply that means what happened, the positive values are negative values, negative values are positive values happen. So minus of minus 4 means plus 4, minus of minus 3 plus 3, minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus of minus 1 plus 1, minus of 0 means that is 0 only. So minus of 1, minus 1, minus of 2, minus 2, minus of 3, that is minus 3. Next minus x square, that means the given x values to squares doing and minus to multiplication. So squaring of positive number or negative number we get positive number only, and that one multiplying with the negative symbol we get a negative number only. So simply we square doing and before minus keeping. So minus 4 square equal to plus 16 into minus means minus 16, 3 square minus 9. So minus of minus 2 square minus 4, minus of minus 1 square, that is minus 1, minus of 0 square, that is nothing but 0, minus of plus 1 square, that means minus 1 only, minus of plus 2 square, that is minus 4, minus of plus 3 square, that is minus 9. Now these are all the values to we have to do addition. So by addition, 6 plus 4 equal to 10, 10 minus 16 equal to, that is nothing but minus 6. Next 6 plus 3 9, 9 minus 9 0, 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 4 4, 6 plus 1 7, 7 minus 1 now, 7 minus 1 6, 6 plus 0 6 plus 0, that is 6 only, 6 minus 1 5, 5 minus 1 4. Next 2 minus 6 minus 2, that is 4, 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 3 3, so 3 minus 9, that is minus 6. Okay, so the points of this graph for the polynomial 6 minus x square are, the points are minus 4 to minus 6, minus 3 to 0 and minus 2 to 4, minus 1 to 6, 0 to 6, 1 to 4, 2 to 0, 3 to minus 6. These are the points. So now locating these points on that graph. So here the graph to taking x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only, and the y-axis to also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit taking. For that first point minus 4 to minus 6, that is in the third quadrant, minus 4 to x-axis to y-axis minus 6 units, that means here is the point. Next minus 3 to 0, x-axis to minus 3 and y-axis to 0, that means the point is on x-axis only. Next minus 2 to 4, it is in second quadrant, x-axis to minus 2 units, y-axis to plus 4 units distance. Next minus 1 to 6, so here is the minus 1 comma 6. Next 0 to 6, so here is only 0 comma 6. Next 1 comma 4, so x-axis to 1 units, y-axis to 4 units distance. Next 2 comma 0, x-axis to 2 units, y-axis is 0, that means the graph, the point lie on x-axis only. Next 3 to minus 6, x-axis to 3 units, y-axis to minus 6 units, that means that is in the fourth quadrant. If we join all the points, so it is the graph of 6 minus x minus x square. Now if we observe, it is also parabola shape only came, but reversely came. So the parabola is two types. Next this one solving after we say. Okay, so here now the graph touching x-axis at 2 points, that is minus 3 and 2, so it has 2 zeros. Okay, so the graph touches the x-axis at minus 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. So the polynomial minus x square has 2 zeros, minus 3 and 2, minus 3 and 2, 2 zeros it have. So by prime factorization method, the factorization method doing means also we get same minus 3 and 2 only the zeros. Okay, so here we said the graph before all problems to this model came, now this model came. So here the graph is two types. Here it is called upward parabola, it is a downward parabola. Okay, so and the graph is ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. So here if we observe this problem, minus x square there, that means a, so coefficient of x is minus 1. Minus 1 means it is less than 0. So we get this downward parabola. Before all problems to observe, for example x square minus 1. So here x square coefficient equal to 1. So it is greater than 0. So here we get upward parabola. So from these all problems we conclude that so the graph of the polynomial, the graph of polynomial is where the line touches x axis. So touches at x axis, that point is only the 0. And how many points it touches? That points are zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so for a linear polynomial ax plus b we taking. So for ax plus b linear polynomial we get only 1 0. We get only 1 0. So and the 0 is at which place came? Minus b by a, this place came. So minus b by a place we get it's 0. So minus b by a means it is nothing but minus constant term by coefficient of x square, minus constant term by coefficient of x square. Next, if we taking a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, so quadratic polynomial, so it has 2 zeros. Why? Because it's degree 2. So for this polynomial we get the graph as parabola shape. So we already said that is parabola shape we get. So the parabola is of two types. One is upwards parabola and downwards parabola we get. When we get upwards parabola, so when the coefficient of x square, that is a, is greater than 0, then we get upward parabola. If the coefficient of x square a is less than 0, then we get downwards parabola. So this model we have to do graphs. Thank you.